This battery works as well if you can't find exactly the same, so join me for a full step-by-step battery replacement as well as info on the batteries you can use. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. Then for the bracket, you only need to loosen the nut at the back here enough to push the rod over, and then the battery can be removed. Clean the terminals for a proper connection if you have a steel wire brush or some fine sandpaper. Now on the old battery, the positive was on this side, so just swing the battery around if you've got the other one. Both will work thanks to the cables that are long enough. The positive is always the bigger terminal or marked with a plus symbol. I'll share some info on this battery a bit later. For now, start fitment in the reverse order with a bracket and then the positive terminal. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. You'll need to make sure these terminals sit tight on the battery post by pushing it all the way down. Use a screwdriver to extend the clamps if you need to. The terminal shouldn't be able to move around by hand. So it doesn't matter which side the positive is, but these terminals are smaller than the standard size, so make sure to select one of those. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.